Aloe vera wine. Wine made of a mixture of aloe and honey cleanses the blood, removes harmful toxins from the body and increases the body's resistance, writes Hildegard von Bingen. You can use it for a number of ailments, from indigestion to asthma and allergies. Ingredients: 200 grams of aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis, 100 grams of sage leaves, 100 grams of chicory root, Cichorium intybus, 100 grams of rose hip, wild rose, 200 grams of honey with honeycomb, 0.2 L of red wine. Grind fresh aloe, sage and chicory and wild rose hip and fresh honey with honeycomb. Place the mixture in a jar, pour the wine, stir and close. Leave it in a cold and dark place for 7 to 10 days. Strain the wine and drink 1 tablespoon of this wine 3 to 4 times per day. If you use dried herbs, you should cut the amount to half.